Introducing the new 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw, part of the 40V Max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. You'll appreciate the convenience of the tool-free chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. Simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimal cutting efficiency. This chainsaw is equipped with a premium 12-inch Oregon low kickback bar and chain running at 5 meters per second for a fast cut speed, cutting through 4x4 pine lumber on average 13% faster than Ryobi's RY4500. The automatic oiling system eliminates priming and assures your bar and chain receive the proper lubrication. The clear window allows you to gauge the oil level. This 40V Max chainsaw offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. At 8.3 pounds, the chainsaw is lightweight and its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip in cutting applications. We've put high power in a small, compact lithium-ion battery with long life. The 40V Max 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery included with this chainsaw makes over 60 cuts in 4x4 pine lumber on average per single charge, resulting in 58% more cuts than the Ryobi RY4500. The 40V Max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw from Black & Decker.
Introducing the 12-amp 16-inch corded chainsaw from Greenworks Tools. Harness a powerful and accurate cutting performance at the push of a button thanks to the 12-amp electric motor. The 16-inch long bar and chain rips through limbs and thick logs, making cleanup jobs easier. Quickly and easily adjust the chain tension without needing any tools thanks to the built-in knob, enabling you to immediately get back to the task at hand. The wraparound handle allows you to comfortably and conveniently clear debris at difficult angles. The metal bucking spikes provide added grip when cutting down a tree. The automatic oiler keeps the chain lubricated throughout the course of your cutting. Easily keep an eye on the oil level thanks to the translucent oil tank. The 12-amp 16-inch corded chainsaw from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Introducing the Greenworks Pro Cordless 18-inch chainsaw, powered by the 80-volt Max battery system. Our industry-leading 80-volt battery system delivers unbelievable torque and power to cut through even the toughest jobs, all with zero emissions and none of the hassles of gas. This chainsaw is designed pro tough with a metal wraparound handle, steel bucking spikes, and electronic chain brake to keep you safe. Every Greenworks Pro tool is engineered with cutting-edge DigiPro brushless motors to deliver maximum performance equivalent to a 45cc gas-powered chainsaw. There's no job this saw can't handle. And when you're ready to switch tools, you can move the battery to our complete line of 80-volt power tools in just seconds. For you, it's not just a tool, it's your life. This is Greenworks Pro. Endless power, zero emissions.